Hello there and welcome back to another vlog. My name is Laney if you're new here, and if you're not new here, thank you for coming back and watching another video. Today I'm going to be doing a full day of eating, but I just thought I would do the intro now while I'm taking my vitamins this morning. Today is Wednesday. This is one of my more chill days. I only have 3 classes today, so I figured today would be a good day. Although I have 3 classes, I'm at the school for a long period of time because the break in between my classes isn't long enough for me to come back here. So I have to make sure that I prepare my body with enough fuel and stuff like that to make it through the day. I can take food with me, but because I only have 3 classes and I'll be done, I will have okay, I am getting so off track right now. So I will have a break after a class that ends at 12. So I'll be able to come back to my room and have lunch and stuff. But then I go back to school until 5:20. And then I'll be able to have dinner and all that stuff. So basically, I'm just going to show you how I make sure I have bigger meals to sustain me for longer periods of time on days like this. Whereas days where I have a lot more classes, but maybe I have 10-minute breaks in between, those days, it's more smaller meals as I go. So this is going to be I'm only showing you what I eat today, but this is just going to show you what I eat on a day where I have to eat bigger meals to carry me through the day. Quick disclaimer before we get into this video, as always, this is just what I eat. This is one day out of my entire life of what I'm eating. Do not compare yourself to me. Everybody needs different things, and everybody lives different lifestyles, looks different. We all have different needs, so please listen to your body and what your body needs. Don't take this as advice on what you should be eating. Maybe take this at most as recipe inspo or just a fun video to watch. Yeah, with all that being said, I'm going to take my vitamins and my probiotic, prebiotic, and postbiotic, my symbiotic. I use the Ritual one. I just started it yesterday because I just got off of some antibiotics. So I'll keep you guys updated on how I like this. I'm gonna take my vitamins and stuff, make my magnesium, and then I'm gonna have a pre-breakfast, which I will show you guys in a minute. Okay, my pre-breakfast this morning, I'm having 2 rice cakes with some Greek yogurt, banana, peanut butter, blueberries, cinnamon. So this is, I don't know if you can see that. That's what it looks like. Also having an iced coffee. Technically, it's an iced shaken espresso, but anyways, I'm gonna sit down and have this. Yeah. Okay, I swear I try my hardest to remember to record what I'm eating when I film these videos, and then I always end up forgetting. I only took a couple bites of this, but I'm having my oatmeal before I leave for class. I have steel-cut oats, zucchini, cottage cheese, protein powder, blueberries, raspberries, cinnamon, peanut butter on top. A base recipe that is similar to this can be found on my Instagram. But yeah, that's what I have in here. Hi, I just got back from my first 2 classes this morning, and picked myself up a coffee at the cafe at the school before I came here, and I'll make myself some lunch. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm having real quick before I sit down and work on editing a YouTube video. All right, I have my lunch here, and it is a pasta dish. So it's rigatoni. It's the Trader Joe's brand of rigatoni, along with their vegan sausages sausage, some spinach, peas, lentils, and then their basil pasta sauce. Did I say spinach? I think I said spinach. I just meal prepped this for the week, so let's do a quick taste test. It's quick, it's easy. Honestly, you can't go wrong with pasta. It's absolutely delicious. Also, I think rigatoni is my new favorite pasta shape because it's so thick. I'm about to head out to walk to class, so I just want to show you I'm gonna have one of these toast and peanut butter sandwich cracker packs and a string cheese, just to get in some more fuel before I have my last class of the day. Okay, I'm back from my classes, and I have a yogurt bowl here. I will put on the screen what is in it right here. Mm.